In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Maps on Apple Watch 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to use Google Maps and all of its functionalities, including Map View, on your Apple Watch 9, you will have to use some form of workaround. So in this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the most straightforward workaround to have Map View and all of the features of Google Map directly on your Apple Watch. So if you try to download it from the App Store, you will notice that it works, but Map View and other features might not be available. So in order to access them, you need to access Google Maps through a web browser. So the workaround is to send someone a message containing the Google Maps link, which should be maps.google.com. So all that you have to do is send a message to someone. It doesn't need to be directly through your watch. In fact, I recommend sending the message from your iPhone and then accessing the link on your watch. So go over to your contacts. You can choose a group chat, a specific person, or even try to message yourself. And all that you have to do is include the link maps.google.com in the body of the message. By doing this, when you open that message on the Apple Watch, it is going to be recognized as a link. So you will see the Safari icon and you will be able to tap on this URL to open it. So a web browser built into the Apple Watch is going to appear and it will redirect you into the Google domain, in this case maps.google.com. And in here you will have all of the features of Google Map accessible on your Apple Watch, including of course Map View, which is what most people want. So you can use the touch controls to navigate through the map and enjoy. There will be a search bar here at the top for specific locations, and even though it might be weird to use, it is still going to work. So I hope I was able to help you on using Google Maps. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality solutions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.